Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a kaftan dress. So we're going to start from the shoulder. That's my shoulder for now, to the bust. And then from the shoulder still to the lower bust. Then you mark it up. Always leave marks for easy tracing back. Then from the shoulder to the waist. And then lastly, from the shoulder, we'll measure her hips because I didn't measure her earlier, so I'm estimating. Since she ordered it online, from the shoulder to the hips, still you mark that up, and then you draw the lines across because we're going to measure the width of the outfit. And then also don't forget to know the width of the dress, length and everything, because she likes it, she wants it shorter. So this is dress top. You'll see it after I've made it. So you put those horizontal lines for easy marking, like that. And then we're going to mark the width, make them longer. For the width, let me push it closer so that you see everything. The width, mark like that. That's the bust area, but you always have to add 1 inch or half an inch, so it's according to what you use, but I use 1 inch so that it's easy in case someone wants to adjust or they want to make it smaller. It's easier for me, it has bigger room, so I add 1 inch like that. Then after you've marked it all up, that is the sew zone, then that is the no sew zone. So you can write it, but that one you have to sew starting from there up to down, and always leave slits or no slits, but since this is a dress top, I'll have to leave some slits up to down. I'll stop there, and then I will have to measure the neck where the head will pass. I'll use 4.5 for the neck. Since I'm not going to use a zip, then down I use 5.5. But then the tricky part about this, you're going to see the back view of the back side, of the neck is slightly above, like 1.5 inches above. My client did not want something that is so big or like off shoulder, so I'll show you clearly like that. Make it darker so you to see like that. Then the reason I'm doing this is that we're going to copy and paste. We're going to paste this other side so that we don't do double work again. You're going to paste it, so you'll see me tapping on it so the chalk copies on the other side of the material. This is a gentleman material, but it works for ladies and men. The reason why it's a gentleman, it has the shiny side and it's smoother. It's good for dresses, suits, whatever. So I tap like that, and then the chalk will automatically paste on the other side of the material. Get like that. You keep checking if it has gone the other side. Yeah, I know you won't see, but I see it myself. So you draw it. It makes work easier and faster. So after drawing it on the other side, you bring it back so that I cut out the neck bit of it like that, and then I cut it out. As you're cutting out, you remember there's the back side and the front side of the neck. So you start with the back side, then you remove the back side of the material, and then you leave the front side, because if you cut the back side together with the front side, it will always, that's a very big mistake. So you have to push it aside, and then you cut the front side like that. You cut it up very carefully. This is the front view. I'll measure 4 by 4 and then mark it up. Don't mind the birds, it's early morning. Then I'll make it by width will be 8. It's according to what you want, because this is a new design. I'm going to mix it with the Ankara. Then I'll drop by 10, but still the width will be 8 because I've not changed anything. Then for more design, I slightly dropped it by 9, so I'll cut it out. But as I'm cutting out, this we shall copy and paste. This makes it easier. Once you do this, I'm going to copy and paste it. Then when I'm cutting the inner bit, you see I cut by, on the neck I cut by half an inch above, since I'm going to fold it up. But on the other side, that is okay. The width, it's all okay. Can leave it. Yeah, you always see it may be faded, but you see the half inch above the neck. It will be easy for you to fold, and the width will still be okay. And then I'll have to copy and paste the back view. The back view is a little bit different, but all we have to remember is it will be 1.5 inch above, so that then the back is not, exposed a lot. She wants it different. She wants a normal back, but as long as her head goes through, because I won't use a zip or anything or buttons. This is a free dress. And then make sure you've lined it up. And then the 1.5 inch I told you, you mark it up. And then that's it. Just copy and paste with this one. But then what you have to keep in mind, the back side will always be different from the front side. So you estimate what you need, and then you curve it up just like that. So this is a mixed material of gentleman and Ankara. You see it after, it looks so good. And you cut it out. Be very careful. You cut it out. Can't wait to see it. Yep. So after you cut it out, you add up the sides, but inside out. The inside part should face the inside part, and then also the outside part. You add them up, but always sew on 1/2 inch. So for those who did not watch the video about making the head bonnet, I'll put the link below so you go and watch it. She ordered for a head bonnet, so I had to just include this to make a complete look for her kaftan dress dress top. Thank you for watching. Yep. And then it's time for pinning up, but I advise you to pin on the floor or pin it up using a table because it disturbed me a lot, but later I had to pin it up on the floor. Make sure you pin up where you're most comfortable and avoid pricking yourself. So you pin up on the floor like this. That's the back and the front. That's the complete dress. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.